Hello, this is Dan Ferrisi, Editor-in-Chief with Commercial Integrator. So happy to be joined today by David Albright, who is Senior Business Development Manager for Collaboration and Learning at Legrand AV. Topic of conversation is, of course, collaboration today and tomorrow, the most recent supplement of which is going to be part of your September issue of Commercial Integrator. Really excited to have you here today, David. Leverage some of your thought leadership, Legrand AV's thought leadership.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, thank you so much. Known, of course, as a leader in the collaboration space, so many really top tier brands, and I want to dig right into it.
Sure, let's go.
So, we're hearing a lot about video conferencing, of course, especially in this new kind of hybrid work, flex work world. And we're hearing about video bars and things like that. But I want to move beyond that. I want to think about other kinds of ways integrators can add value, additional kinds of products in the conference room. What would you say to your top line?
So we really try to look at the conference room experience from a holistic manner. And I think when you look at a meeting space holistically, a video bar can be a great solution, but there are oftentimes better ways, more prescriptive to the space design, more embedded into the environment with ceiling or table mics and speakers that provide more localized spatial audio solutions to the room to help, in a hybrid meeting, people remotely better kind of auditorily track where people are in the space. And so our Vaddio brand has a lot of those kinds of solutions. And then intelligent camera solutions, whether it be an IntelliShot or a conference shot product that can, via electronic PTZ and our AI control, actively track participants in the room and better manage the flow of the conversation being had in the meeting.
You mentioned the conference shot, ePTZ. I have to say, as an industry journalist, I've been hearing a whole lot about it, kind of custom solutions where you can tailor it to the space. You want to get into a little bit more detail about the value proposition there? Yeah,
so we have two different flavors of the conference shot ePTZ, one that's a USB connected device and one that lives on our Easy IP infrastructure. And it's a small camera device that can be paired with remote speakers and mic systems and really embeds really cleanly in the room because of its small form factor. And with our AI control, it very nimbly tracks participants in the room. With our AI system, you can really effectively block out spaces, whether it be a glass wall in the background or even a clock that might be moving and might throw off other AI controlled camera systems. There's a lot of integrator friendly customization to really enable an ideal experience for this specific room that it is being applied to. And that's something that just our integrator partners love and come to Vaddio for.
Yeah, I think that is absolutely true. And I know that there's a big focus these days about having integrator-centric products, make sure that they're as efficient as possible on site, streamlining of solutions, modularity of solutions. And it seems like that's a real strength of Vaddio, those kind of modular solutions.
Yeah, whether it be a USB system or a slightly more advanced system living on Easy IP, we can interconnect a lot of these devices just over category cable to create a very flexible, low voltage installation of cameras, speakers, and mics in any size room to accommodate everything from a small huddle space environment to larger meeting rooms and boardrooms. So the modularity that Vaddio presents is really ideal. And then you pair that with solutions like our Forum collaboration suite from our Mid-Atlantic brand, which is a really flexible collaboration furniture suite that embeds like acoustic materials for enhancing room acoustics. And you've got a really sweet meeting space installation that aesthetically complements most environments and really ties together all of that technology in a really clean and elegant manner.
The synergies within the Legrand AV family are second to none, and I certainly commend you for bringing up the fact that there are so many internal synergies to deliver that outstanding outcome we all want. As we begin to wrap up the interview, I did want to just mention, increasingly hearing a whole lot about MTR, Microsoft Teams rooms, certified solutions like IntelliShot M, I think would be particularly valuable for those. You want to just briefly touch on that?
Yeah. So Microsoft Teams rooms are certainly a bright spot in the industry. Teams has really, Microsoft has come a long way in developing Teams for the last few years to be the leading platform for corporate collaboration, even in education and government collaboration. And with that, we've launched earlier this year our IntelliShot M camera certified for Microsoft Teams. We also have a RoboShot family product, RoboShot M, certified for Teams rooms. And those products are really ideal when that certification is important. We have validated all of our products to be compatible with Microsoft Teams and Zoom, but we understand that certification kind of goes the extra mile, and many customers are looking for that. And so IntelliShot M, RoboShot M are great solutions when looking for those Teams certified camera devices.
Well, going the extra mile, it seems like that's kind of been a through line of this conversation. Your brands, Vaddio, the entirety of Legrand AV really do seem to be going the extra mile, not just for outstanding outcomes for customers, but also for integrators to make things easier and make things more approachable for them. Really appreciate you, David Albright, being here today and lending your thought leadership.
Thank you for having us. We appreciate working with you, collaborating with our integrator partners.
Thank you again so much, David Albright, Senior Business Development Manager for Collaboration and Learning with Legrand AV. My name is Dan Ferrisi, Editor-in-Chief with Commercial Integrator. Please check back on commercialintegrator.com each and every day for more exciting content relating to our Collaboration Today and Tomorrow supplement. And of course, check it out in our September issue, where you'll get an opportunity to read all of the thought leadership content we've gathered. My name is Dan Ferrisi, once again, Editor-in-Chief, Commercial Integrator. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate, as always, you tuning in.